We're testing different mufflers on the 2026 Aprilia RSV4. There's a lot of hunting going on with the SC project. And we're also here to see for fun if the Acra muffler or the SC muffler makes more power on the same dyno, same strap, same tank of gas, same day, same everything. We're back at Lee Cycle in San Diego with the 2026 Aprilia RSV4. And today we're gonna do some very unique testing that not a lot of tuners do. We're testing different mufflers on the motorcycle. Now, a lot of you already know that we have the Akrapovic full system on our RSV4, and we've tested a few other bikes with different full systems on the East Coast and West Coast. And we had some of our customers with the GP22, for example, exhaust on SC or shorter exhaust systems, complain about some idle hunting, meaning the idle kind of goes rump, 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 like up and down. It's not a static idle. Some people enjoy that, and some people want to eliminate it as much as possible. So in order to get some A to B testing, I reached out to SC Project, and they were kind enough to send us a muffler that we can plug in to the Acra system, meaning all we're gonna do is pull out the Acra muffler, put on the SC muffler, and see if we get some idle hunting. And sure enough, we are definitely getting some hunting just by swapping the mufflers. That's all it takes. So here's the Acra, for example. And here's the SC Project. You can definitely hear there's a lot of hunting going on with the SE project. It doesn't stall, but there's a lot of hunting. So we're here to try to minimize that as much as possible. And we're also here to see for fun if the Acra muffler or the SC muffler makes more power on the same dyno, same strap, same tank of gas, same day, same everything. So a great place to start here is with the SC muffler. Let's start there, do our pulls, and see how much power we're making. Now that pipe is loud on the bike, and even at idle with revving, it sounds completely different than the Acra. So here's what it sounds like. And here's the testing for today, and we got 210 rear wheel horsepower out of this SC Project muffler. Very respectable numbers, and look at this curve, it is amazing. We also tested partial throttle and of course the idle hunting. Now the idle hunting is something we've been trying out files for while I've been riding on the road, meaning we put a file in it, I ride it around the streets, get it hot, go from stop and go stuff, and make sure I can replicate it and see if the bike stalls. And at this point we managed to make it not stall, of course, but it does slightly hunt here and there, meaning when it gets to about 190 degrees or so, it's gonna start hunting, and then it goes to a static idle, and it'll start hunting again, then static idle. It goes into this kind of routine, but there's no actual stalling of the motorcycle. That's what we wanna make sure of. And how do we know it's back pressure? Easy test you can do at home. Now don't do this with your bare hand. Make sure you have a rag that is very thick on your hand, and you can kind of cover the muffler a little bit while it's idling, while it's doing the hunting. And you'll notice the hunting just goes away. Again, do not do it with your bare hand. It's very hot, the exhaust gas. So make sure you have a very thick cloth you put it over there, and don't do it for very long, but you'll notice the idle hunting instantly goes away. And that's just due to back pressure. That's all this is. We don't have enough back pressure from the short systems. And the way we're sniffing the cylinders, we go individual, meaning we're actually getting the reading from the head. We're not getting it from a corrupted source, meaning the sniffer going into the tailpipe, because especially when it's hunting, you may get some oxygen corruption on there. So we want to make sure you get the reading as close to the head as possible from each cylinder. So now that we've seen what the SC can do, let's go ahead and get the Acra system on here. Let's dyno it and see how it compares to the SC. All right, we're done testing and we've got a total of 210 rear wheel horsepower for each. Now in red is the Acra and in blue is the SC. These are basically mirroring one another across the entire board here. It's not really a huge difference between the two. We can see down low here, let me see, let's start way down here. We're getting a little more from the Acra down here, nothing crazy, but we're talking this is 2,500 RPM. This is not a place you're gonna be typically riding the motorcycle, so let's kind of discount that. You start right around 3,000, 3,500, we're getting a little more from the Acra, just a little bit. And then we kind of mirror each other right here at 4,000 RPM. Then we make our way over here where we start separating again. And this is where the SC starts shining actually over the Acra. At best about 6,300 RPM, and we're talking 3 horsepower right there. That's the best we can see with the SC over the Acra. Then we go up here again and we're trading places again. We got a total of 2 wheel horsepower here in favor of the Acra. And then the Acra kind of shines all the way up until we start mirroring each other again, right around 10,000 RPM. Let's zoom out here and kind of go in. And then we have the Acra a little bit more up top here at 1 wheel horsepower. And then we have about the same all the way until red line. So both making 2 10 wheel horsepower, nothing crazy there. These are basically both the same things. There's nothing really much to read into here. The short can, the long can, the power's be made in the header, not the can itself. But there are subjective things about the muffler that you may or may not like. For example, the Acra is very, very long. Some people like a shorter exhaust system, so you may just go towards the SC just because it's a shorter can. Sound is the next subjective thing. It's up to you. Do you like the Acra? Or do you like the SC sound? How about wide open throttle in the dyno? Do you like the SC? Or do you like the Acra? Personally, I like the look of the SC, but that sound in the SC is a little bit loud for me. I do like the Acra, even though the Acra doesn't really give the RSV4 justice as far as sound goes. I think the SC gives it more justice, but it is extremely loud. And I'm really liking how this build is turning out right now. We put some more custom parts on here other than our turn signals and the headlights, which I really like, and I showed you guys exactly how to do that with our flashing. We can enable that with our flashing. We also have a caliper kit with titanium bolts that we've designed just for the high pure calipers for the new Ducati Panigales and for the RSV4s. Anything that's running a high pure caliper needs this kit. And we're also lowered the rear of the motorcycle 1 inch with a kit we're gonna have available very soon as well that I've been testing out on the streets. And of course, the litany of RPM carbon we have on the motorcycle now. This thing just looks proper when it's lowered a little bit, in my opinion. So again, big thank you to SC Project for giving us a muffler that we can test and help our customers out with idle hunting. If you guys have any questions or ideas for new videos, leave them in the comments, but I also want to hear which muffler you think sounds and looks better. So please comment and let me know which you think is better. I think it's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.